Apple is shaking up the world of digital services with a major update to its services lineup. This fall, they're bringing powerful new features to users across their ecosystem. And it's not just about more apps or better streaming. This is about making the digital experience smarter, more personalized, and more intuitive.
Whether you're using Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple News Plus, or even Apple Fitness Plus, the changes coming in 2027 are going to change how you interact with your favorite services. Let's dive into what's new and why it matters. First up is the evolution of Apple's AI-driven features. Apple has been quietly building a suite of intelligence tools that power everything from Siri to the apps in your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Now, they're expanding these tools to their services, making them more responsive and adaptive to your habits. Think of it as your digital assistant getting smarter and more aware of your preferences. For example, if you often watch certain genres on Apple TV Plus or listen to specific types of music on Apple Music, these services will now learn from your behavior and suggest content that aligns with your tastes. It's not just about recommendations anymore, it's about understanding you. This isn't just about convenience. It's about making your digital life more seamless. Apple is rolling out new features that allow you to control your services with voice, gestures, or even just by being in the right place at the right time. Imagine walking into your living room and having your favorite playlist automatically play, or having your favorite show ready to stream as soon as you sit down. These features are powered by Apple's new intelligence tools, which are designed to work across all your devices and services, making your digital life more connected and intuitive. Another big change is how Apple is integrating its services with the rest of the Apple ecosystem. For years, Apple has been pushing for a more unified experience, and this fall's updates are a major step in that direction. For instance, Apple Music is now working more closely with Apple TV Plus and Apple News Plus. That means you can easily switch between services without leaving your current app. If you're watching a show on Apple TV Plus and want to check the latest news, you can do so without opening another app. This kind of integration is all about making your digital life more fluid and less fragmented. Apple is also making its services more accessible. They've introduced new features that help users with disabilities navigate their services more easily. For example, Apple is improving the accessibility options in Apple News Plus so that users with visual impairments can better navigate articles and read content aloud. Similarly, Apple Music is now offering more detailed descriptions for songs and albums, which can be especially helpful for users with hearing impairments. These updates are part of Apple's ongoing commitment to making its services more inclusive and user-friendly for everyone. One of the most exciting features coming to Apple's services is a new way to discover content. Apple has always been known for its curated experiences, and this fall's updates take that to the next level. With the new intelligence tools, Apple is introducing a feature that helps you discover content based on your mood, activity, and even the time of day. For example, if you've been working hard all day, Apple Music might suggest a relaxing playlist to help you unwind. If you're feeling creative, Apple TV Plus might recommend a show that inspires you. This kind of personalized content discovery is a game changer, as it makes your digital experience more engaging and tailored to your needs. Apple is also making its services more secure. In the past, users have been worried about data privacy and security, especially with the rise of AI and machine learning. Apple is addressing these concerns by introducing new security features that protect your data while still allowing for personalized experiences. For instance, Apple is now using on-device machine learning to process your data locally rather than sending it to the cloud. This means your data remains private and secure, even as Apple's services become more intelligent. This is a big deal because it shows Apple is committed to balancing innovation with privacy. Another highlight is the expansion of Apple Fitness Plus. This service is already a big hit, offering users a wide range of workouts and fitness programs. But this fall, Apple is bringing even more to the table. They're introducing new features that make it easier to track your progress, set goals, and stay motivated. For example, Apple is adding new workout types that cater to different fitness levels and interests, from high-intensity interval training to gentle yoga. They're also improving the integration between Apple Fitness Plus and other Apple services, so you can seamlessly switch between workouts, track your progress across devices, and even sync your fitness data with your health apps. Apple is also making its services more customizable. Users have long been able to personalize their Apple Music playlists, Apple TV Plus watch lists, and Apple News Plus subscriptions. But this fall, Apple is taking personalization even further. They're introducing new tools that let you fine-tune your experience. For example, in Apple Music, you can now create playlists based on specific moods, activities, or even the weather. In Apple TV Plus, you can set up watch lists that automatically update based on your viewing habits. These new customization options are all about giving users more control over their digital experience. Finally, Apple is making its services more connected with other Apple devices. Whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple Watch, the new features are designed to work seamlessly across all your devices. For example, if you start watching a show on your iPhone, you can continue watching it on your iPad or Mac without missing a beat. Similarly, if you start a workout on your Apple Watch, you can continue it on your iPhone or Mac. This kind of cross-device integration is a big win for users who want a more unified and connected experience. In conclusion, Apple's new features for its services are a major step forward in making digital life more intelligent, intuitive, and personalized. From smarter recommendations to better security and more seamless integration, these updates are designed to make your experience with Apple services more engaging and enjoyable. Whether you're a long-time Apple user or new to the ecosystem, these changes are going to make a real difference in how you use your services. Stay tuned for more updates as Apple continues to innovate and evolve its services for the future.